Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have stuffed chicken breast. I was going to use the chicken breast with the skin on, but when I went in the store I didn't like the prices, so we're going to do it with the skinless ones. And here's what we need. We have spinach that I've washed and cleaned, and I broke the stems off the end. We have onions. We have sausage, that's breakfast sausage, olive oil. We have some chopped mushrooms, salt, pepper, garlic, and I have 3 chicken breasts. But first we're going to make the stuffing. Okay, I've heated my pan. We're going to add our sausage. We're just going to fry this up. I'm going to stir it around till this is brown. You can use your potato masher. That breaks it up pretty well. This is about good enough right here. And we're going to add into that onions, we're going to toss that around. Cook them for about a minute or so. I'm going to add my mushrooms in. Going to cook those down. And if your sausage isn't producing enough oil, then you can always add some oil, some vegetable oil or some olive oil. I'm going to add in some spinach. Just going to break it up a little bit. You could chop it up beforehand if you like. It's going to wither anyway. And we're going to let this cook down. And then we're going to add a little more seasoning. The breakfast sausage has seasoning already, but taste it after you've added all your ingredients, just to see. And if so, just add a little salt, pepper, a little garlic powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Salt and pepper. Just a little salt. And some pepper. And if you like spicy, you can add a little red pepper. Or some red pepper flakes. And you can also add a little cheese. A little Parmesan cheese to this mix. Be really good. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm going to remove this from this pan and show you what we'll do next. Okay, I've already did one. Let me show you how I did that. You take the thick part Make sure you see. Take the thick part of the breast. Let's move that over. And you get your thin knife. And you fill it. You try to go in through the middle. Take your time so you don't. Take it back far as you can. Kind of slice over. Be careful to stay on the inside. Can you see that? That little pocket. And I try to take it back as far as I possibly can. I could have took the other one back a little further though. And I also added a little bit of Parmesan to my mix. You don't have to, but you can. And there's no tidy way to do this. So, just going to take my spoon. I hope you can see. I'm trying to make sure you can see. It's like feeding a baby. Whoops. Stuff it on in there. Keep pushing it back. Feed the baby. Because that's what it's like. It really is. You put it in the baby's mouth and they'll spit it back out and you put it back in again. And I'm going to finish stuffing these two. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. That's my oven. I have it preset on 350. If you need to, just go in with your thumbs just to get it to go all the way back. Not going to hurt anything. Save you some time. Messy, but it's all worth it. Kind of rip that, okay. But when you're done, you take your toothpick. Thought I had me one here. It's a little tear, but it's okay. But you take your toothpick and you just thread it through. And that was good. Okay, I'm going to do the last one.